Hey there, guess what day it is? It is National Hummus Day, and I am in the mood for some hummus. All right, so first things first, your ingredients. You'll need some tahini, you'll need some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, fresh squeezed, paprika, this is for the end, cumin, and some olive oil. I like to kind of get the food processor warmed up a little bit. Go ahead and get your lemons. And to your lemon juice, you're gonna add your tahini sauce. 1/4 cup again. And now that that's all nicely blended, gonna add some salt, just 1/4 teaspoon. And the magic ingredient, can you guess what it is? Bam! Cumin. You can already smell it. It smells like hummus. Let this sit for about 30 seconds and then you can add your chickpeas. Okay, and now that it is all processed, we're gonna check it out. Okay, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. You're just gonna scrape down the sides. And that's your hummus.